Hey guys, we're going to do a room tour.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it. Need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach.
Look, there's a mirror here. So, there's a full-size mirror outside so that I can fix myself. So now we're going to enter our room. By the way, we have been upgraded for free. This one has an upgraded amenities, of course. I'm excited to show you that, but before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I have new videos like this. And I'm so excited now, so please hit that like button. Upon entering, it says here clean and sanitized, so that's a good one. Before entering the room, make sure that they have cleaned the entire room. And upon entering, there is a full-size mirror over here, which is super good. At least you can see yourself before leaving. So going inside, on this side is our bar area. They do not have the coffee cups, but they do have, I'm not sure if they do over here, but first of all, they have this disposable coffee cup. So this is maybe for business purposes if you're checking in this hotel for a business, and if you're just here to sleep at night and then you have to leave in the morning to get to the office, you could just get coffee over here, prepare coffee, and just put it on this cup. So the coffee that they have is this brand, Illy, and they have this coffee pods. They gave us 4 different types of coffee pods, which I'm very excited because I've tried this brand, the coffee shop itself. I tried this last year, 2 years ago, and super good. So I'm happy that they have this coffee maker that we can try. And also, I'm tiptoeing because I have this very cute tea kettle with teacups for your tea or for your espresso maybe. And then on this side you have, very cool, it's specially bottled for Grand Hyatt Manila. So by the way, we're staying at the Grand Hyatt Manila if I haven't mentioned that earlier. And this is bottled by Summit brand. So it's not a plastic bottle, it's a glass bottle. So I guess that's our complimentary bottle, water bottles. And then they have banana chips for these complimentary. We don't know yet. Let's see. So this is just bucket of ice that we just ordered. So this doesn't have anything, but it has the mini bar menu. Let's see if the banana chips. Oh, it doesn't say banana chips, so I guess our banana chips is complimentary. And these are your tea, your sugar, and coffee creamer. And I love that they have Splenda. You have the bottle opener for your wine. And then on this drawer are your glasses, and teaspoon, and then here is your super cute, super small electric kettle. So the mini bar, or this is your ref, where it has, of course, your soft drinks, bottled soft drinks over there, which aren't complimentary for sure, so you have to pay for those if you're going to consume them, right? Okay, so from this side to this side, this is, tada! Hi guys! This is your mini closet area. So it has your hangers, they have umbrella over here, you have again a mirror, and then there's a couch here where you could maybe sit here while you're dressing up or putting on your shoes. And then there's a cabinet right here. You have the safe. Oh, there's a plancha right here, and the ironing board. And then this is your flashlight for emergency purposes. There is a complimentary shoe shine service on this. So, ayo. This is not a brush, but this is not a hairbrush. This is a brush for your shoes. And they have the shoe mitt. They have a shoe bag and your dry cleaning bag, which is super cool because it's black and it's a drawstring bag. Very cool. Again, do not use this on your hair, okay? So there. And then on this are your hotel slips. So if you want privacy, you can just close this. If you want to dress up. Okay, so now let's move on to this side. This is super cute couch. This is like your receiving area. So they have the mini table and the couch, and it's very, very comfy. So at least if you're tired of sleeping in your bed, you can just here. Or if you have some food that needs to be delivered, you can just eat here in a small table, right? Okay, and then what I love about this room is that they have a separate TV stand, which is super cool because I think you can, yes, you can move it. So if you're on your bed, you can move the TV for here, and then if you wanna change, and like if you're seated at the sofa, you can just move the TV over here. Very cool. And I love that this is how many inches? I think 75. And if ever you want to like work while watching TV, you can also move it here and stay here at the desk area. Very cool. I love that it's the usual work area is like a rectangular desk. This one is round table. I love that They have two types of chairs. So you can either sit here on this chair which has wooden legs, or if you want to move around while working, there is another chair that is movable like that, while enjoying the beautiful Makati skyline view. Let me show you. That is your view. That's Makati skyline. This is the Fort Kalayaan BGC area, and then that's what you're gonna see when you wake up in the morning on this beautiful bed. This is king size bed. It's just very comfy. And then on the other side of the bed, by the way, I forgot to mention that there is another mirror. This room has a lot of mirrors. So there's another mirror over here, which is very cool. And then on this side, you have also the switches on this side. You also have a mini Bose speaker where you can connect your phone. And on this side, which is very beautiful, sliding door that opens up to your beautiful bathroom. If you come inside, this bathroom is very, very pretty. It has a wide mirror covering the entire width of the bathroom, and I like the marble tiles all over. And then it has two lavatories, so at least you have the option to like use them both at the same time, and you're not just gonna wait for the other person to finish working on their stuff on this side. Okay, and then there is a clock over here. Then this is your tissue. And ooh, this is Balmain soap. Very bougie. See, I'm not gonna use this. So you have here the drawer. So the drawer has your vanity kit, shower cap, sanitary bag, shaving kit, loofah, of course your toothbrush, and this has the blower. And then of course your towels are here, and they have weighing scale to monitor your weight. You're lounging the entire day and eating, so at least you have your weighing scale over here. And the vanity mirror, I love this, always a staple. Okay, the bathrobes are here, it's hanging over here, and ta-da! Bathtub! So I love that this has a separate bathtub and a separate shower area, so at least you can do some bubble bath here while reading, while listening to music, or just relaxing. And this is, like what I've said, it has a separate shower area. So again, the Balmain soap, and of course the rest of the toiletries are Balmain. So you have the lotion, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. So I'll ask for this to get refilled tomorrow because I'm gonna use it. Okay, now you're wondering where's the toilet. So there are two entries to get to the bathroom area. So you have this side upon entering the door, and then the other side beside the bed. And this is, ta-da! This is the toilet area. It's again on a separate room. Another Balmain soap! Yes! And it has a separate lavatory as well. So this serves like a powder room na din kasi when you have a visitor, for example, they could like use this and you have the privacy on your own bathroom over there. Very cool, right? And that's it. I'm so excited to stay in this room and enjoy all the amenities of the hotel. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it. Need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken.